Welcome to our review of the Samsung Galaxy A50. If you're in the market for a smartphone that offers excellent value without compromising on quality, then this might just be the phone for you. With its sleek design, feature-packed camera system, and solid performance, the Galaxy A50 is one of the most popular devices in Samsung's mid-range lineup. In this video, we'll cover everything this phone has to offer, so stay tuned to find out if it's the right choice for you. Now, let's talk about the design and build. The Galaxy A50 comes with a sleek, slim profile and a stunning gradient paint job. The front is protected by Gorilla Glass 3, while the back and frame are made of durable plastic. Despite its mid-range status, it features an under-display fingerprint reader, but lacks water protection, so be mindful around water. Next, let's talk about the display. The A50 is equipped with a large 6.4-inch Infinity U Super AMOLED screen, offering a vibrant Full HD Plus resolution at a 19:5:9 aspect ratio. It's perfect for watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games, thanks to its sharp and colorful display. Now let's talk about the cameras. The phone sports a versatile triple camera setup on the back, including a 25 megapixels main sensor with PDAF for sharp photos, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens for capturing more in a single shot, and a 5 megapixels depth sensor for great portrait shots. The 25 megapixels front camera is perfect for selfies, ensuring crisp and clear images with its fixed focus. Now, moving on to performance. Powered by the Exynos 9610 octa-core processor and Mali G72 MP3 GPU, the A50 is capable of handling everyday tasks with ease. From multitasking to gaming, it's available in two configurations: 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of storage, or 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage. Plus, you can expand the storage up to 512 GB with a micro SD card. Next, let's talk about the software. The A50 runs on Android 9.0 Pie with Samsung's One UI on top. This clean and intuitive interface makes navigating the phone a breeze, and it comes with a number of useful features that enhance the overall user experience. Now let's talk about the battery. The A50 packs a large 4000 mAh battery, providing all-day power, and when it's time to recharge, you won't have to wait long thanks to the 15W fast charging support. Finally, let's talk about connectivity. The Galaxy A50 offers both dual SIM and single SIM options, along with LTE support. It includes a USB Type-C port, Wi-Fi A, B per gram, N, AC, Bluetooth 5.0, and even NFC for mobile payments. Plus, it's equipped with GPS, GLONASS, and BDS for accurate location services. To sum it up, the Samsung Galaxy A50 offers a great balance of features for its price range. From its beautiful display to its versatile camera setup and solid performance, it's a fantastic option for those who want premium features without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.